Good morning, children. We are discuss about the lesson topic magnetism. Now, activity 3, make your own magnetic compass. You make own magnetic compass. Okay. Insert the magnetized needle. You take one magnetized needle that you made in the activity 2. Already you do activity 2. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Into two styrofoam balls means thermocol balls. Okay, you take two thermocol balls and place the needle in bowl of water. You see this picture. You take two thermocol balls and place these two balls this like. Okay, and then whether the floating needle is always turned in rest on the north and south direction. You float on the uh, thermocol balls underwater. The balls and the needles are direction is rest on north and south direction. Okay, so if you don't have thermocol balls, you can use tri leaf or cork piece, anyone you use it. You take one magnetized needle, not simple needle, magnetized needle and two thermocol balls. Place two thermocol balls on two sides and float on the water. The needle and thermocol balls are rest in the north and south direction. Okay, so do this activity in your home. Okay, next one, storage of magnet. How to store the magnetic power in the magnetization. Okay, improper storage can also cause magnets to lose their properties. Okay, so proper storage can also use the gain of their properties. Okay, to keep them safe, bar magnets should be kept in pairs with their unlike poles on the same side. Don't place the like poles on the magnets. Okay, unlike poles on the magnets, you keep it with. Okay, they must be separated by the piece of wood and two pieces of iron should be placed across the ends. You see this picture. You place the magnet this like. Okay, wooden pieces of iron. Okay, this like you place your magnet. Okay, then this like. Okay, this like you save your magnet. Okay, for a horseshoe magnet, a single piece of soft iron can be used as a magnetic keeper across the poles. This is a horseshoe magnet. This is a horseshoe magnet. Second one, horseshoe magnet. You keep this magnet this style. Okay, then only the magnetic powers are saved. Okay, then next one, usage of magnets. Okay, what are the usage of magnet in our day-to-day life? Okay, we use various equipment with magnets day-to-day life. Discuss with your friends about the usage of magnets in following instances. Okay, first one, in speakers. In speakers they are using magnets. In a small electrical motors also used magnet. In some door locks also used magnets, and handbags, and in some toys have magnet. In compass, in pencil boxes, you see pencil boxes, they have magnetic power. They storage the magnetic power on the pencil box. Okay, stickers on the refrigerators, you place on the stickers on your refrigerator, they have magnetic power. Okay, you see that. Then phone covers, then pin holders, and a magnetic crane. These are the things we are using the magnetic power on the needle. Next one, science in day-to-day life. First one, bullet trains. We know that like poles of the magnet repel each other. Already you know the unlike poles, like poles of magnet are repel each other. For example, this is one magnet, this is one magnet. This side n means this side n means this is unlike poles. Like poles. This is like poles. So the like poles of magnet repel each other. So these repel each other. Keep your bar magnets are shown in the figure. You see this picture, you keep your magnet this like, okay. Repel each other, N and S S. So these two magnets are not attract, these two magnets are repel each other. What do you observe? The two magnets magnetic poles are equal, so the two magnets not attract each other. By using repulsion we can alleviate magnetic object. Let us make toy and enjoy magnetic leviation, okay. Leviating propeller, listen. Ring magnets, bottle propeller, and a plastic bottle filled with sand, tap, strip plastic straw, scissors, okay. Listen, make a propeller from a 500 ml plastic bottle. Make a hole in the bottle lid, okay. You do this like do like this, okay. You make a you take 500 ml plastic bottle and make a hole this like, then screw the lid with the hole on the bottle. Half filled sand, you fill the sand with that bottle off, okay. Fresh fit it straw lid, you insert one lid on the bottle. Emblem the straw in the sand to make it a stand erect, okay. The straw stand in erect in this bottle, okay. Then next one, place two magnets each and outside of propeller. These magnets will automatically stick to each other, okay. You place these two magnets, okay. For next one, fourth one, place few ring magnets in straw. Similar poles will each other repel each other. Like poles repel, and this leviators bottles fan, the sailing fan make it spin. So the upside the straw have fans, the four ceiling fans make it spin, okay, rotating, okay. Place the propeller on the strip straw and the magnets in the straw and the propeller you should be repel each other. This will make the propeller leviate. On placing it under a ceiling fan, the propeller will spin very fast, okay. So in fan, magnetic powers are used in electric fan, okay. You have enjoyed with this toy. You make this toy, you see your book and do that toy, okay. You see your book page number 8, you do the toys, okay, toys. So then you make it a model, okay. Then you see electromagnetic training is the same principle. You have heard about it. You heard the electromagnetic train is a no, yes, okay. Electromagnetic train is called as suspension train. The train is called suspension train and also called flying train. Flying train, it does not require diesel, petrol, okay. It only used magnetic power. So then the train is called electromagnetic train, okay. In electromagnetic train, electromagnets only used, so that is called electromagnetic train. In this train, not require diesel, petrol, these are the things, okay. This technology uses property of magnetic attraction and repulsion to run these super fast electromagnetic trains, okay. These two properties, attraction and repulsion, are used to the super fast electromagnetic trains, okay. Then next one, Macliffe train, okay. See your book page number 9, there have Macliffe train, okay. This is a Macliffe train, okay. Levitation, propulsion, okay. You see your book, okay. Attraction, repulsion, displacement, okay. These here have magnet, no, these magnets are used to the Macliffe train, okay. In which countries? China, Japan and South Korea. These three countries are currently using Macliffe train for public transport. Many countries explore possibilities to use it, okay. These three countries are used Macliffe train. This train is a magnetic power train. Okay, key features: no friction, high speed, no noise. Okay, so how much speed? Maximum operating speed kilometer per record. Okay, then this Japan, listen, Japan and China and South Korea. Okay, see the kilometers: 320 kilometers per hour, 1 hour 320 kilometers, and 1 hour 350 kilometer for China, and 1 hour 300 kilometer per South Korea. Okay, so in India, Mumbai, Delhi, listen, in India, Mumbai, Delhi, Mumbai, Nagpur, Chennai, Bangalore, Mysuru routes are considered for proposal. Okay, these routes are used to magnetic train. Magnetic train, McCliff train. The train is called McCliff train. McCliff train means magnetic levitation. Magnetic levitation. The train is called McCliff train. Okay, okay. You see your book. You one time read it. This page number. Okay. This is small letters having. So you read it in your book. Okay. Okay, next one. How does the electromagnetic train work? Okay, how to the electromagnetic train work? Okay, electromagnets are used in electromagnetic train. Electromagnets are magnetized, only the current flows through them. In a electromagnetic train, the magnet are used. That magnet through the current will pass on the magnet. Okay, when the direction of magnet is changed, the poles of the electromagnets are also changed, like poles of the magnets which are tracked and bottom of the train, and the trail track repel each other, so the train is lifted from the track up to height 100 centimeter. Okay. Then we know that we can move any magnetic object with the force of attraction or repulsion properties of magnets. This train also moves with the help of the magnets attract on the sides of the track and the magnets filled at the bottom of sideway of the train. By controlling the current, we can control the magnets movement of the train. So the magnets are used in that electromagnets. The current also pass that through the magnets. Okay, then the magnets, the two properties are having no attraction and repulsion. These two properties used to that electromagnetic train, the current will flow time the magnetic train moves on the track. Okay, as there are no moving parts, there is no friction, so the train can easily attain the speed of 300 kilometers per hour. 1 hour the train move 300 kilometer. These trains are capable of running up to 600 kilometer per hour. Okay, they do not make noise, they require less energy, and they are eco-friendly. Okay, this electromagnetic train is not pollute the air. Okay, even though many countries have taken effort to use these trains, such trains are used for public transport only in China, Japan, South Korea. In India, the possibilities introducing these trains are under consideration. Okay, next one, in today's homework, you write it. Here have another one topic. I didn't teach this topic. Yes, already teach ma. Okay, already I thought. So you read this page number clearly in your book. Okay, today homework, you see, I will send a PDF in first lesson. Okay, first lesson finished ma, magnetism lesson, first lesson finished. So I will send PDF in first lesson. You write the book back answer in your book. Okay, you write the book back answer in your book, and 2 mark questions. Give short answer 8th Roman letter. That 2 more questions you write and send it, okay, and answer in detail, and question based higher order thinking. These are the questions are have in your first lesson. Today you write it 8th Roman letter, give short answers. Two short answers here, have two short answers. That two short answers you write and send it to your class teacher. I will send PDF, okay. You mark first lesson, choose the appropriate answer, true or false, match the following, fill in the blank, circle, add on out, and one more questions also you do your book back only, okay, book back in your book, okay. Don't write your note in your book, you do this one more questions only, and two more questions you write and send it to your class teacher, okay. Thank you children.